I'm headed out to the boat now for another evening shoot, and this is I guess the third night that we've been out. I'm here with a group of guests with Backcountry Journeys, and we've been going out in the evenings or going out every day and taking pictures of bald eagles. And this morning we saw some sea lions way out in the Kachemak Bay. And we're based out of Seldovia, Alaska. This is just a beautiful little town. It was originally founded as a Russian fishing village. It's still a fishing village, but they do a lot of tourism now because of the idyllic location. You can only access this place by boat or by airplane, but ultimately it's just a beautiful place, and we've had a lot of good luck doing our shoots, and it's just I can't say enough good things about it. It's just, if you've never been to this part of Alaska, it's really worth a trip. It's just a beautiful place. Weather's been beautiful, a little cold from time to time, especially when we're out on the water, but for the most part the action's been great and the people are great, and the whole experience has just been fantastic. When we travel out to take pictures, both in the mornings and the evenings, we travel out by boat. There's no better way to see this country than by boat. It's such a peaceful way of traveling. You see all kinds of wildlife, not only the bald eagles, but also otters and a ton of sea ducks. It's just a great way to go.